Okay, here's the bat song. The bat song. And Twinkle Twinkle is one of the most songs played around the world, and all sorts of people are playing it. This is a simplified version. This only has 3 notes. It has sa, 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 pa, pa, sa, sa, and then low pa, which I don't have. Pa, sa, sa, pa, pa, sa, sa, pa. And those are the strings. Sa, sa, pa, pa, sa, sa, pa. So the tune goes, twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder where you're at, up above the world so high, hope that you can catch that fly. And then we go to the echolocation, which is what bats do to find a fly. And so you just put your finger on the middle saw string and okay, that's fun, but it's tricky. And then you do the shiver, which is, you can shiver anywhere on the bow, but when you shiver near your hand, this part of the bow bounces crazily, so you lose control. So better to get control by, and then you bring it down to next to total silence, and then we start again. And afterwards we're going to do the echolocation on the high pa. Ek, dui, tin, char. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder where you're at, up above the world so high, hope that you can catch that fly. High pa. And then shiver on the high pa. And bring the volume down. And then we start again. Ek, dui, tin, char. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat, how I wonder where you're at, up above the world so high, hope that you can catch that fly. Echolocate on that low pa. And then shiver on the low pa. And that's it, the bat song. Remember, those notes are sa, sa, pa, pa, sa, sa, pa. And I guess that's about it. It teaches you how to move your bow back and forth. So practice that and get really good at it, and then we can move on.